Smells pretty good. Like, actually. We got our little camera in the corner here. Come here, come look. Little camera right there. It's all this cool stuff on the inside. It's a 3D printer, guys. It's 3D. One side, two side, three side, 4, 5 sides, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay. All right. There's our print head. It's so beautiful. Like, actually, just acknowledge it for a second. Should I lick it? I should lick it. I'm not gonna lick it. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Touch it. Oh, yeah. Sensory. Sensory. It's like, there's something about new 3D printer that just bodes well with me. I should lick it. No, I'm not gonna lick it.